Yole, gule, gule, hile, ho, hole, hi. So, guys, how to reset this CCTV mini Snowman from F380 Pro, from V380 Pro. Okay, this CCTV Snowman. First, you need connect the USB port, mini USB port, to the port porthole like this. Yeah. Okay. 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 After you connect the port, wait for the
Camera is starting. Please wait.
please wait. Okay. After like that, you need
Network connected.
to how to reset. Where is the hole for the reset? Okay. Okay. The hole for the reset is in here, my friend. Not here, yeah. No, no here. But in here, for the reset button, just put insert this, hold for 10 seconds until the CCTV Snowman Mini uh, the voice say reset successful. Okay, I don't know if reset this because this is just was the setting. Okay, just like that, my friend. This is the reset button here for the CCTV. Just reset for 10 seconds. Okay, CCTV V380 Pro, CCTV Mini Snowman, how to reset for 10 seconds.